We're really fortunate to have gotten this sort of initial funding from the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation to sort of start building a basic CF research center here at the University of Michigan. The idea was to bring together sort of folks from all across U of M. That's really the goal, is to bring together sort of an interdisciplinary community of people and sort of start gathering ideas for what this sort of eventual center is going to look like. So what are sort of the types of resources that people need to do their research related to cystic fibrosis, and how can we best sort of facilitate a lot of the great work that's already going on here, and then also bring new folks into CF, start new collaborations.
What did you learn today? Anything new, or just
Yeah,
comments, ideas?
Absolutely. Well, first, I was really taken aback by sort of how many folks from different research areas were here, and how many of them were sort of interested in this new center and could benefit from it and could contribute to it, right? So there's already a lot of great research being done here, and some of it I didn't even know about, right? So I've been here sort of almost 2 years, but it's really nice for me personally too to sort of get to know more people, right? And so really the takeaway for me is that we have such an interdisciplinary community, and then a lot of really great ideas for core resources. And there seemed to be a lot of sort of synergy, right? So there are a lot of sort of common core resources that can help a lot of people. And so I think we have some good ideas for, what to really focus on moving forward.
Great. And you talked about a theme coming together. That's an important part of the
Absolutely,
process.
Absolutely. So we want the theme to be sort of broad enough so that we're not sort of exclusive, and we want to bring as many people into CF research as possible, but we also want to really play to UM's institutional strengths. So, a potential theme might be sort of RNA therapeutics, or generally sort of therapeutics for cystic fibrosis, and that'll include things like mRNA therapies, delivery vehicles, but then also sort of small molecule drugs, so treatments for sort of the infection aspects of CF as well. So that's a potential theme, and I think we'll sort of continue to sort of coalesce on sort of like what sort of overall theme makes the most sense for us as a group. It's a very broad group already, so.